Here is play along trading solos video for Blues by Five by Red Garland, the great piano player. It's a very, very, very simple blues. It's a 3-chord blues, essentially. So if you are in the know, you can jump ahead to this time and then just play. I'm not going to include the chart for this one because it's really simple. It makes a very good project for learning the melody by ear if you've never done that sort of thing, as the melody has something like 6 notes in it and very repetitive rhythms. Just go do that. If you already have a chart, just play. It's fine. The track I'm using, I don't know specifically if the original recording is a jazz blues with all the included chords, but for this one I've included only the simplified version of the chords as found in books like the Real Easy book, which are designed for teaching younger students improvisation. So it's just going to be the 1 chord for 4 measures, followed by the 4 chord for 2 measures, then the 1 chord again for 2 measures, then the 5 chord for 2 measures, then the 1 chord for 2 measures. Very simple. Of course, we're in the key of B flat, everyone's favorite key. If you're new to this sort of thing, what's going to happen after I stop talking is we will play the melody once, then we will trade 4s for a bunch of choruses, then we will play whole choruses for a few choruses, and then 2 choruses for a few choruses each. The idea is to build larger and larger chunks of the solo until we are playing what could be a full-length solo, but getting lots of practice at repeating different parts of the song. I try, and maybe a little bit fail, to build more of an arc into my 2 chorus solos. You should do the same, but don't necessarily follow my example. Go listen to somebody like the Miles Davis Quintet, who performed this piece originally, probably. That being said, let's get to it. Here is the play along for Blues by Five. All right, thank you for playing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this simple blues. Playing things like this is good for everyone, really, but especially beginners. They're very accessible. If you have any questions about this sort of thing, or if you have any requests for tunes, pop, jazz, or otherwise, go ahead and put them in the description. I'm sorry, not the description. Only I get to edit that. Why am I rambling? It's the end of the video. Comments down there. Subscribe. Bye.